Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box, and here the first thing that we can see that sure was our Vivo device. Also we have here the charger brick, the original one in white color with all of the specs here. After that we can see the USB-C cable, also in white color. Here we have also the earphones with the 3.5mm jack, and also the same jack tool. And that's not at all. Let's see what is here in this paper box, and here we can find some paperwork like the quick start guide, the warranty cards, and the safety guide here, and also have the clear silicone protective case. So as can you see, we have here a lot of different accessories inside of our Vivo phone, and that's all of them here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.